Hello everyone! As we promised, we will now teach you how to delete and disable devices in Bravo panel. There are certain cases when we need to disable some device temporarily. Device disabling is also known as zone bypassing, as we basically exclude one or more detection zones from our system. For example, we can use that option when we want to leave our bedroom window open while we are gone, and we don't want it to trigger an alarm event. Here we can see an example how we can disable a device. We need to enter device enrollment mode, then by using the arrow buttons we can select the device we want to bypass. When we select the device, we can press the bypass button in the top right corner in order to disable it. As you can see, the device LED turns from red to yellow. When we exit the device enrollment mode, we will be able to see the bypass button is yellow, which is used as a reminder that we have disabled the device in our system. By pressing the button, we can see the exact device type and number. To enable the device again, we can go back in the device enrollment mode and follow pretty much the same sequence. We find the device, press the bypass button so the device LED turns red again, and then exit the programming mode. Here is something important. Even if we forget to enable the device manually, the system will do it automatically as a safety measure. This will happen the next time we arm our system. We already know how to disable devices, but here's how we can delete a device in case we don't need it anymore. We need to enter device enrollment mode again. Then by using the arrow buttons, we can select the device we want to delete. When we select the device, we can press and hold the X button until the panel confirms the operation with a sound signal. The device LED should turn green, which is an indication for empty position. Then we can exit the programming mode. Here is something important. After we delete devices from the system, we also need to reset the devices to their factory settings. You will see how to do that in our upcoming videos. Thank you all for watching us. Next time we will discuss how to reset devices to their factory settings. Working with Bravo is fun.